welcome back to another video of Nobarriersgrowth. Today I'm going to be showing you Ascar Kids, which is a very well-known wholesaler. As you can see, their new stocks just arrived, so we're in the perfect timing. Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Hi. So I'm good, thank you. So their new styles have just come by, so I'm going to be showing you some of their newest collections. As you guys can see, they have a mixture of basically girls and boys. And how about what are the sizes in this wholesaler?
We have this from 1 to 12 years.
1 to 12 years.
Yes.
And as you can see, it's one of their newest collections. That looks adorable. And it comes with the hat
For girls.
and this for girls. So we've come at the right time, and guys are going to see their new collections. So come on in, and we're going to show you their new designs. I'm only going to show you the best of the best, but I absolutely love this wholesaler because they have the most beautiful, unique designs. If you're looking for kind of like the embellished, reversible sequin styles, this is, guys, the wholesaler for you. Now, it is mainly girls wear here, guys, in comparison to guys, but I wanted to show you guys some of the unique styles they have here because the prices are super, super affordable. As you guys can see here, they have these kind of collections, and this is like a leggings and a top, and this can start anywhere between $4 to $5 per piece. But remember, guys, it's a series. Now, as you guys can see here, most of the items are already packed for you. So if you did want to come here and just literally buy 1 or 2 series, you can. And it's around 2 or 3 pieces per series. Now, in regards to the prices, 4 pieces per series. Sorry guys, my mistake. In regards to the prices, how much would these cost, for example?
I have t-shirts from girls and for boys from 1 to 12 years.
Yes.
I have 3 sizes. The price is from $1.5, $1.6, $2. It's different.
Different prices.
Yes.
So you heard that correctly, guys.
And all them my products.
Your products,
Yes.
right? So you manufactured it
Yes,
yourself
manufactured
too.
in Istanbul.
And guys, remember, it starts from 1.5 for a t-shirt, which is absolutely amazing. So they have really good price points. But more importantly, guys, I mean, I love the quality here. Now they have the leggings, they have similar styles like the cartoons. And guys, they are also a major manufacturer. So they actually manufacture and produce their items too, which often means they can probably provide customization for your needs. Just gonna show you some more tops, guys. And these start from anywhere between $1.5 to $2. As you guys can see, it's very stretchy material too. And they have beautiful designs. Now moving more upwards, guys, as you can see, we also are starting to go into the boys wear. And again, this will start from, anywhere between 3 to 6 months all the way through to 12 to 13 years. And again, in these series, guys, you have 4 pieces. And again, it's as simple as literally just coming here, picking your items or seeing the styles, and then basically purchasing them here. These start from anywhere between 9 to 10 years. These are the bigger sizes, but just giving you a rough example, guys, of how the wholesale system works here in Istanbul. So if you are visiting Istanbul, or if you'd actually want to physically come to the wholesaler, you can literally come here, pick up your items, and basically pay for them and get them sent to your cargo. Now, as you guys can see here, they also have organic cotton shirts as well. So if you're a more sustainable or ethical brand, or you want to start an ethical or sustainable brand for kids wear, they also have sustainable clothing and cotton materials here. And they also have their dungarees, which actually ranges from anywhere between $6 all the way through to $8 to $9. Now, as many of you guys may know, that a lot of the wholesalers may carry similar styles, but this particular wholesaler, guys, because they are a manufacturer, they tend to have very unique pieces that are not clashing. Because the worst thing you want to do, guys, when you're starting a fashion brand is stock the same items as everyone else, right? So this wholesaler right here has some of the most beautiful pieces. Now this has to be my favorite. I feel like I'm having baby fever, guys, like literally doing these wholesale videos for kids wear. I mean, in my head, I'm just imagining me styling my child in these outfits, but this will cost anywhere between $6 to $7 per piece. So you're spending anywhere between $25 to $30 for a series. And as you guys can see here, these are the designs and styles. And as you guys can see here, they have denim skirts for kids and babies. They have denim dresses that also have the accessories. And I think that's one reason why so many people come to Istanbul, because a lot of the clothing do come with chic accessories, which is absolutely phenomenal. And of course, guys, they do have a smaller section, which is kind of towards the winter wear. But again, in Istanbul, people tend to produce their kind of winter collections from now as well. So again, you can see here, this is all boys and kids. And they kind of have like the sleeveless jackets, which also come with the hoodies. So a lot of people, if you own a retailer or a boutique, you do know that a lot of people are buying from seasons ahead. So they'll tend to basically start, you know, stocking up on their winter collections from anywhere between, I'd say around May all the way through to July season. That's it, guys, for this week's video. Of course, we have all the information here for Ascar Kids. I probably said that absolutely wrong. As you can see here, guys, you can contact them via WhatsApp. And they also have a Telegram, and you can contact Ali,
yes,
who speaks perfect English, and he'll be able to translate for you and give you all the information. And again, guys, all the information in regards to this wholesaler will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back next week again with more content on Kidswear. Take care, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. That's it, guys, for this week's video. I hope you guys found it really informative, as I know a lot of you guys have loved these amazing kids wear wholesalers. Yes, guys, if you are looking for kids wear wholesale apparel from, you know, anywhere between babies to 0 to 12 months, 12-month onwards, all the way to ages 12, 13 and even 16, Istanbul is a really good sourcing hub to get all these amazing high quality kids wear products. As I mentioned, if you are new to sourcing from Turkey, check out our website, www.nobarriersgrowth.com. As you guys can see, we provide way more information about what each district enlists or entails. We also showcase some of the kids wear products that you can find, and also transportation links and hotels if you are physically coming to Turkey. That's it, guys, for this week's video. I hope you guys found it really informative. And as I mentioned, I'll be back again on Wednesday showcasing more amazing Turkish wholesalers. Take care, guys.